Hola, soy yo, Vicky Marie. It's me, Vicky, otra vez, again. Okay, so el video de hoy es uno de los videos de recetas. So today's video is going to be a recipe video in inglés y en español, in English and in Spanish. And today the recipe is potato rosti a la Vicki. So, hoy la receta es rosti de patata a la Vicki. Okay, I love this recipe. It's my own recipe. It's not a proper recipe. No es una receta de verdad, es mi propia receta. Pero es fácil. It's easy. Es muy barata. It's very cheap. And it's very quick. Es muy rápido. Y todas estas cosas son importantes. All those things are important. Especialmente en verano, especially in summer. No quieres tardar mucho tiempo en cocinar algo. You don't want to take lots of time in cooking something. You just want something easy. Quieres algo fácil, pero rico. Something tasty. So, easy, tasty, quick, cheap. Fácil, rico, rápido, barato. ¿Qué más quieres? What more could you want? Okay, so first of all, we're going to look at the ingredients. Primero vamos a mirar los ingredientes que necesitas para hacer esta receta. We're going to look at the ingredients, what you need for this recipe. So the main ingredient, la ingrediente principal es patata. The main ingredient is potato. So you need one medium-sized potato per person. Depends how many people you're making it for. Necesitarás una patata mediana por persona. Depending cuántas personas hay, o si lo vas a hacer de plato con otra cosa o plato individual. So it depends if you're going to do it as something to complement something else or as a meal in itself. But personally, I quite like it as a meal in itself. A mí me gusta como una comida sola, sin nada. Okay, so los otros ingredientes, depende en ti. Puedes poner qué quieres. The other ingredients more or less depend on you. You can put in it whatever you like. A mí pongo ajo siempre. I always put garlic in it because I really like garlic. Possibly jengibre. You can put peas, guisantes. You can put zanahorias, carrots, pero hay que cortar cada cosa muy fino. Champiñones, hierbas, ¿qué quieres? You can really put in anything you like, but you have to cut it very fine. Hay que cortar todos los ingredientes muy, muy finos. ¿Vale? So, primero tienes que decidir en los ingredientes. First thing you have to do for patata a la Vicki, patata rosti a la Vicki, la primera cosa es decidir en los ingredientes. So the first thing you have to do is decide on your ingredients. So, once you've decided on your ingredients, the ingredients for you, también puedes poner jamón or algo así. Yo no como carne. You can also put ham in or something like that, but I don't eat meat, so, but you decide on your ingredients. Okay, so, después de decidir, tienes que rallar o cortar muy fino todos los ingredientes. Okay? You have to grate your ingredients. I grate potato or the carrot or even the garlic. You could grate really anything and then mix them all together, ¿vale? Y mezclarlos bien en un cuenco or in a bowl or something like that. Then, muy importante, después muy importante, hay que envolver todo en papel de cocina. So you have to wrap it all in a kitchen towel to get all the moisture out, para quitar todo el agua de los ingredientes, especialmente la patata. So, because the potato will give off a lot of moisture, so you have to wrap it in kitchen roll to get all the moisture out. So, para quitar todo el agua, todo de los ingredientes, hay que envolver en papel de cocina. Yo recomiendo por lo menos 3 veces. I recommend at least 3 times to do this with clean kitchen roll. So, con papel de cocina limpia, por lo menos 3 veces, envolver, empujar, quitar el agua. Okay, yeah, so that's step 2, ¿vale? Eso es paso 2. Ok, después tienes que calentar el aceite. Yo normalmente uso aceite de oliva porque solo necesitas un poquito. Si tienes un sartén buena, you know, if you've got a good pan, you only need a little bit of olive oil. I recommend olive oil because it tastes so nice, but you just use the one that you prefer, of course. So you put it on a medium heat, calentarlo no muy alto, mediano, un calor mediano, and put the ingredients into patés. So, por ejemplo, si quieres para 2 personas, hay que hacer dos secciones de los ingredientes, 2 patés, 2 partes. If you're making for 2 people, you'll make it in 2 parts, or 4 people, 4 parts, you know, whichever. And if you want to, I quite like to shape them into a heart, just because I'm silly, but you know, you can put them into shapes. If you're making them for children, sometimes it's fun to put them into a fun shape for a child, maybe a ball, or I don't know, whatever you think, a heart. I always think you can't go wrong with a heart, can you, for adults or children? So, puedes ponerlos en una forma especial. Yo siempre hago corazón. Y para los niños les gustan cosas así, en formas, ¿vale? Y después, eso es cuando yo añado el sal y pimienta. This is when I add the salt and pepper. I like the screw salt and the screw pepper, ¿vale? So, eso es la hora para poner, echar pimienta y sal. Sí, yo normalmente lo cubro, pero no siempre. I normally cover it maybe, but not always. Okay, vale, so, eso es paso 3. So, as you can see, it looks yummy. You'll see it starts to look really nice. So, vas a ver que tiene buena pinta. Que, bueno, pienso yo. Yo siempre prefiero un poco, cocinar un poco más que menos, ¿sabes? Para ser crujiente, so that it's crispy on the outside. Yeah. So for me, I like crispy, but for you, you do it how you like it. And that is step 4. Now, step 5, paso 5. This is optional. Eso es optional. A mí me gusta poner una loncha de queso. I like to put a slice of cheese on the top. Now, this recipe, of course, is good for vegetarians or even vegans. But if you're a vegan, you won't want to put cheese on the top. But unless you can get vegan cheese, which I presume you can. So, si eres vegano o vegana, no vas a querer poner queso arriba, porque este plato es para vegetarianos. Yo no como carne, pues como un poco de vez en cuando, pero realmente no me gusta carne nada. So I eat a little bit of meat here and there, but really it's not my thing. But this is, as I say, it's good for vegetarians and even vegans if you don't put the cheese on the top. So si no pones el queso arriba, también este plato es para veganos. Sí, y lo dejas allí hasta que derrita. So you leave it on the top just in case until it melts. Basically, that's all you do with it. And that is step 5, paso 5. Another important thing to remember while you're cooking this or anything, if like me you have pets. So, otra cosa importante recordar cuando cocina este plato o cualquier cosa, si como yo tienes mascotas, it's important to keep the pets away. This is my dog waiting for the rosti. Eso es mi perro Rocky esperando el rosti. Le gusta mucho. Es que Rocky dice que huele muy bien. Ok, vale, so, paso 7 realmente es servirlo en lechuga, ensalada o con otra cosa. So, my dog Rocky thinks this smells really nice. I think it's the garlic always makes things smell nice, doesn't it? And yeah, the next thing is to serve it. In this particular case, I've served it on a bed of lettuce. You can just serve it with salad. You can serve it, as I say, as like with your main meal, like this just as a side dish, or you can serve it as a main course or as a main meal. Depends what you prefer, or just like a snack. A mí me gusta tenerlo solo para una comida pequeña, solo la rosti o el rosti y con ensalada o con lechuga o algo así, o tomate, por ejemplo, y nada más para una pequeña comida, ¿vale? Si lo quieres para más grande comida, puedes añadir más cosas. So, vale, número 7 es servirlo. Y por fin, o al final, at the end, of course, claro, por supuesto, una copa de vino para acompañarlo. A nice glass of wine to accompany it, or beer, or white wine, or cava, or whatever is your thing, or agua, water, if you don't like alcohol. Y está, voilà. Rosti de patata a la Vicki. Potato rosti a la Vicki, or Vicky's potato rosti, we might say in English. Okay, que aproveche, enjoy, and I'll be making more of these videos if you like them. Recipes that are quick, easy, cheap. Quick, easy and cheap. Those and tasty, of course. Sí, so recetas que son fáciles, baratas, rápidas y ricas. Okay, thank you for watching. Gracias por mirar. Hasta luego. Goodbye.